Why would they lie about the globe? That's the title of one of Nathan Oakley's latest videos. That's a question I asked many times. I also asked, who is they? This time Nathan have made a video where he tries to explain this. To be fair with Nathan, I will play the whole video. I will stop it sometimes and comment on it.
Hey, thanks. So, Nathan, I heard you say this isn't conspiratorial thinking, right? So I guess my thought is baked into the premise that the Earth is flat is the premise that every single scientist and government is lying to us and teachers, right? Just so many people are lying, right? Because the Earth is actually flat and they're telling you it's round. So I guess, what are they gaining from these lies, and why are they doing it?
A great question. And please note, Nathan have chosen this part from a live stream and published it as a separate video. So he must have a great answer to that question.
I can't answer that. I can't divine the motivation of someone that you would postulate is lying, because you would concern yourself with the fact that you believe people would be lying based on what I have asserted, which is that Earth is measured flat. It's not a it's not a conspiratorial speculation. It's a measurement of the way that the ground
is the Earth
with.
Flat, or you're saying the Earth is measured flat?
My bad, I was in the middle of answering your question. Do you want to carry on waffling through the middle of my answer? Go ahead.
Oh dear. Typical flat Earth nonsense from Nathan Oakley. He don't want to answer the question.
Go ahead.
Oh, no, go ahead, sir.
Do you want to go ahead with your waffle? I'll wait till you tuck it out with your follow-up question that came through my answer. Go ahead. Get it all out, son. I know this troubles you, that you believe people would be lying to you, and this is of deep concern to you. I haven't postulated that in any way, shape or form when I say Earth's measured flat, but that's your worry that you believe you need to project onto me, like it's my concern, or that I need to divine the motivations and thoughts of others to satisfy your fear. You worry that people would have had to lie to you. That's your problem. Go away and worry about how much people have lied to you because Earth's measured flat. I just tell people Earth's measured flat because it is. You can concern yourself with how much people have had to have lied to you.
Nathan did get a straightforward question about why would people lie about the shape of the Earth. Because he don't believe that we live on a globe, he don't believe in space, and so on. So who and why? It's obvious that Nathan is afraid of that kind of questions because he have no answer.
It's your time to shine.
So what I got there was a lot of rhetoric, right, which is common with the flat Earth debaters, and no answer, right? So we don't know why physicists have lied, astrophysicists have lied. Right? They're telling us, hey, it's a globe, and we know that because we've done the calculations, we've put satellites in space, we've put spacecrafts in space, we've seen it, we've measured it, right? But they're all lying, right? Because it's actually measured flat.
And once again, the one asking the questions to Nathan tries to get back to the original question. Let's listen to Nathan.
Yeah, do you want to offer us up a measurement of a globe and we'll show you how it's measured flat? Further to that, you say that these people who I can call liars if they've claimed to be in a sky vacuum, that's outer space, because outer space is a second law of thermodynamics violation. That is to say that the gas we breathe requires containment to be at pressure. If the sky was a vacuum, that would be outer space to send satellites to according to you, then the gas we are breathing would fill the area of volume you call space. We'd all be dead. We'd have never developed gas pressure in the first place. If there was an ability to traverse the gas pressure we are breathing, that would be to say that it's at pressure, and leave the area of pressure into an area of vacuum to put satellites in. Total nonsense and a complete lie if you're claiming to have put a satellite into an area of volume that gas is not filling in a violation of natural law called space. That's a lie. Further to that, astronauts who say they've been in space are definitely liars. because you can't go to an area of volume that gas isn't filling. It's a violation of natural law. They are liars. And I did answer your question.
The question is, why would they lie? And the title of Nathan's video is Why Would They Lie About the Globe? A title that Nathan put on his own video. But he avoided to answer that question. Instead, he's repeating the same garbage about space and the atmosphere as he always does. Why is Nathan so afraid of those questions?
You asked to divine the motivation of others, and I explained quite clearly as an answer that it is impossible for me to divine the motivation of anybody ever. That's an unreasonable question. How dare you tell me I didn't answer you? I did.
No, Nathan did not answer the question. He's avoiding it.
Okay, so I'll just say my last piece here will be, I would just like to note to the audience that one of the common tactics flat earthers use.
Anyways,
ad hominem, kick him out.
Let's listen to what Nathan said in the end once more.
Anyways,
ad hominem, kick him out.
Once again.
Anyways,
ad hominem, kick him out.
So instead of answering the question, he kicks the one who questioned him out.
No, don't tell me about my tactics.
So to the rest of the room, please, we're going to keep this respectful. We're going to try and answer and ask questions only. We're going to avoid all ad hominems and personal attacks. It's not necessary, right? If you feel like he hasn't answered your question, feel free to request or ask another question in chat, and we'll see if we can get to it.
Can I just say, I love you. You're ace. I'm feeling my muscles relax into my chair because of you, I am. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Nathan. It's always good to have you here.
That was Nathan's whole video, so no one can accuse me for cherry picking. It's quite obvious that Nathan don't want to answer this type of questions. I believe that I know one of the reasons, because many flat earthers are talking about the Bible as proof for flat earth. Nathan tries to be scientific, so this is a sensible topic for him. And of course, there are no sensible reason why governments, scientists and so on would lie about the shape of the earth, and Nathan knows it. So far we have sent 101 ordinary drones to Ukraine and 40 kamikaze drones. That's all thanks to you. If you want to help with kamikaze drone, which are the most important drones, please use PayPal in the description. Otherwise, ad revenues goes for buying ordinary drones. That was all I had for you today. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a comment what you think about Nathan's attempt to answer those questions. I will be back soon. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.